In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a tool in Microsoft Word called Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader reads text out loud, it breaks it into syllables, and increases spacing between lines. Helps build confidence for emerging readers learning to read at a higher level. Let's get started. To access Immersive Reader, I'm going to come up to the View tab. I'm going to click on Immersive Reader. And it's going to take the document, it's going to expand the document. So here, what it looks like in the Immersive Reader frame, I have some tools up here. I can click on Text Preferences. I can change the size of the text. I can increase line spacing, which is already marked on. I can turn that off. I can choose a different font. I can choose a different theme. All right, and show source formatting. So if words were highlighted in the document, or bold-faced in the document, or italicized or underlined, it would show that. I can also shut that off as well. I'm going to leave that on. I'm going to go up to grammar options. Any nouns, I can turn that on and it will show the nouns in purple. I can break each word into syllables. Turn that on. And I'm going to go to reading preferences next. Line focus. I can have one line turned on. All right, I can have it translate into English or a bunch of different languages. I'm going to leave English selected by word or by document, depending on what words I want translated. All right, so now I'm done with this. I'm ready to get started. I can come over here with one last setting to the voice. I can speed the voice up. I can have it a male or female. Select female. And now when I'm ready to go, I can hit play.
Name. Go to https://ll.creativelearningsystems.com and log in. UN. WAMSPW. Learn 10. Click on Orientation Collection Engineering Design Process. Read and answer following questions. Key terms in blue are clickable to find definitions. 1.
All right, so way I would have students use this if they wanted to for answering questions, I'd have them have the question read. So let's play question 1.
1. From the Engineering Design Process section. Copy and paste the engineering design cycle here. 2.
I would then pause it. I come up here to my arrow to exit Immersive Reader. I'd have them come in, answer the question. Down, and then once I put my cursor down on number 2, when they're ready to start number 2, I'm going to go back into Immersive Reader. And we're going to see that I'm ready to start on question 2. So wherever my cursor is in my original document, it will show up there in Immersive Reader. So now I can hit play.
2. During the first step of the engineering design process, what are 2 questions you should ask while defining a problem?
So then I will go back into my text and answer this question. Immersive Reader, I think, is a very powerful tool to increase fluency for English language learners. It also offers text decoding solutions for students with learning differences such as dyslexia. Immersive Reader is found in other Microsoft products such as OneNote, Teams, Outlook, Forms, Flipgrid, and it's even in Minecraft. So I think this is an excellent tool for you to use to help build your reading skills. I hope this video is helpful.